Welcome to Redline Review. It is anticipated that the Bugatti truck VIP Motorhome will perform like a hypercar and offer an opulent mobile lifestyle when it is manufactured in 2026. Although Bugatti has not responded, there have been a number of speculative designs and partnerships that point to a recreational vehicle with the Bugatti name. The design and outward look, the Bugatti truck VIP Motorhome is likely to be an athletic and aerodynamic vehicle, as is reasonable to assume. Flowing lines and a horseshoe-shaped grille are two characteristics that distinguish Bugatti cars from the competitors. The construction is both robust and lightweight since it makes use of cutting-edge materials like carbon fiber instead of more traditional ones. The reduction of drag caused by aerodynamic efficiency improves performance and fuel efficiency. Facilities in the interior of the building. Luxurious living spaces with polished wood, unique linens, and fine leather furnishings are some of the elements that could be included in the lavish decor. The modern kitchen features high-end appliances and lots of storage space, innovative approaches to entertainment, climate control, and the integration of smart home technologies, and a luxurious bedroom that serves as a comfortable retreat for rest. Effectiveness and capabilities, separately and respectively. Based on Bugatti's performance history, the recreational vehicle, RV, may include a strong hybrid drivetrain capable of producing a significant amount of horsepower and torque. Modern suspension technology guarantees a comfortable ride on a variety of terrains. Increased stability and traction are only two of all-wheel drive's many benefits. To accomplish its off-road capabilities, the vehicle is equipped with technologies including enhanced traction control and high ground clearance. In terms of cost and availability, because this concept is theoretical, we still don't fully understand its availability and cost. However, given how well-known Bugatti is, the price of such a recreational vehicle would most likely end up being several $1 million. With its outstanding engineering, unrivaled comfort, and unrivaled design, Bugatti would transform the leisure vehicle market with the 2026 Bugatti truck VIP Motorhome, which is still only a concept but offers the best performance and style for people who want to live a life of mobility. The motivation behind this change would come from Bugatti,